We out here at the park. You know, at this point, it's like it's good for Shadow to be by himself at the park. You know, I know other beautiful fur babies be at the park, but it's like you gotta catch him out here at a time where ain't nobody out here, cause he is a troublemaker. He's not the best dog, y'all. I just gotta be honest with you. He's a great dog, but not the best around other dogs. You don't have no problem with humans as long as a human don't have something in their hand. He's a weirdo. Something that wasn't naturally made. Well, now maybe a stick. A stick is natural. You probably have a problem with that. But he ain't perfect. But he's mine. Well, he's Courtney. It's Courtney dog. I'm gonna give me a dog. I'm gonna give me an old English bulldog. Been wanting that forever. Old English or English. And Shadow can have Shadow. I said Shadow. Courtney can have Shadow. I know y'all think that I'm terrible, don't you? I'm just playing around. This is my dog. He's with me 99.9% of the time. In my life. Wherever I'm at, that's where he at. I have a business, so he's always with me. Even at my business. That's old Shadow. The shyster. Come on, you want to meet somebody? Hey. Hi. Hey. Look, Shadow don't even like me saying hey to nobody. What's up? Hey, what's up?
How you doing?
All right.
Do that right.
Say hey, Shadow. Say hi. You full of crap, man. You full of crap. Hey. Hi. Hi. All right, man. Have a good one.
Good. Have a good one.
Yep. Come on. Up. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Shadow. Good boy. Quit trying to come over this way. You trying to fall off the edge? Go over that way. Come on. Go on down. All muscle, no brain, huh, bro? Come on. Come on. Up. Yes. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. My dog. Come on, we got one more round. Come on. Up. Okay. Come on. Walk it back. Come on. Up. Good boy. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Come on, you ready to go home? Let's go home. You get your smell ins. You done. He had him a quick fight. You know, that's his life. Like, he gotta have one a day. Like a pill. Like a vitamin. Fighting is a part of his vitamins. Smell good out here, man. What they sprayed the grass or something? I'm gonna have to look that up. See, is there an odor thing? You ain't gonna drink none of this stuff. He don't drink none of the water out here. There's plenty of water. He won't mess with it. Very cautious dog. Come on, let's go in here. Let's go through here. See what kind of smells they got here. I ain't seen nobody in here so far this year. Have you, Shadow? I ain't seen nobody up in this pea. All right. One, two, three. Three. How many licks does it take to get to the center of the Tootsie Roll Pop? Courtney.
Yes.
You can turn that off. Cause Shadow in the building. All right, y'all. We gets on. Finna go on back home. Ain't that right, Shadow? All right.